Government has granted permission to defence forces to buy emergency weapons through Make in India route. The approval was given at a meeting chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Haryana and Punjab on Wednesday. The day will witness two important health initiatives being inaugurated dedicated to the nation by the Prime Minister. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said that India is an emerging power on a global scale and a regional power in Asia in terms of both size and population. Dr. Jaishankar said this at a joint press conference with his Paraguayan counterpart Julia Cesar Arreola at Asunción in Paraguay yesterday. State Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Bantedor Lingdo has defended lifting of ban on chemical fertilizers. He was speaking at a program to spread awareness about the government's decision to lift the ban at Maukathen village near Smith. India on Tuesday logged 8,586 new coronavirus infections, taking total tally of cases to 4,43,57,546, while the active cases have declined to 96,506. Meghalaya records 17 new infections in the last 24 hours.